What's up, peoples? This is Omar, and I have a question for you. How do you book your hotels? Do you book directly from the property? Do you use a travel agent? Or do you do what I do and use a third-party application? Because what this video is about, and it's gonna be a whole series, is HotelTonight. So HotelTonight is a third-party app that I use to book hotels, and I'll go more into detail about the application as we go in, but for today, I just wanted to kind of go over their reward scheme, aka HT perks. Side note, this video is not sponsored, as you can tell, but if anybody wants to send this link to one of their people at HotelTonight, you guys go right ahead, I don't mind. But without further ado, let's talk about HT perks. So the HotelTonight reward program isn't totally original, but it's super effective, and you can save a good deal of money when you're booking these hotel rooms through the app. So this is how it works. Everyone starts at level 1, and at level 1 you get the regular discounts that you're going to see in the app, and you also get these geo rates. So those are based on your location. Let's say you're in Miami and you're looking for hotels in Miami. If it detects that you're in Miami, you can get a special geographic rate based on that. And then after level 1, you hit level 2 once you've spent $250, and that unlocks an extra 5% discount on the discounts that you already see in the app, right? And then at level 3, that increases to 10%. And at level 4, it increases again to 15%. So I have to stress, this is 15% on top of the discounts they're already giving you. And I'm going to show you what that looks like after we go through these levels. So at level 4, you also gain access to HT Pros. So how this works is, I think it's the last 24 hours before your check-in time or date, you can get access to message these guys through the app, and they will assist you in getting early check-ins, special room requests, things like that. So once you reach level 5 and you spent $3,000, then you're gonna get into the credits. You get a $30 credit, another $30 credit at level 6, and another $30 credit at level 7. And at level 7, you get access to VIP customer support. So I haven't reached level 7 yet. I'm actually at level 6, which means I've spent $4,000. It's a little shocking to see that in writing, but it is what it is. I've gotten a lot of discounts on that. So I haven't seen what the VIP customer support looks like, but I will be sure to tell you when I reach level 7, which should be soon. And at level 8, you're gonna reach that 15% discount is gonna increase to 20%. And you're gonna get that $30 credit. So after level 8, 9 going forward, there's an unlimited number of levels, but after level 8, you're only gonna get $30 credits for each $1,000 that you spend. But you continue to get the 20% discounts on the already discounted rooms. So really, you can't lose, right? And then the $30 credits, they're just kind of icing on the cake. Okay, that was a ton of information, and you're probably looking at the screen thinking, what the hell is this guy talking about? So I think it's best that we see it in action. It'll make a lot more sense. So as an experiment here, I have come to HotelTonight's website where I am not logged in, so I'm only getting the regular discount. You see this hotel, Sonesta, Philadelphia, it's $239 a night. So if you pull up my phone on the right, where I have my level 6 perks, the same hotel is available for $204 a night. So $239 minus 15% equals $204 a night. Big savings. Okay guys, if you made it this far, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned something. I hope you go out there and you save lots of money booking hotels through HotelTonight. If you enjoyed this content, remember that this is going to be a series, so there's going to be plenty more of these types of videos to come. You can check out my other videos, and don't be afraid to hit that like and subscribe button. I'll see you in the next video.